Television dramas have long captured the fascination of audiences with their dramatic portrayals of the courtroom. But what if we told you that much of what we see on TV isn't quite how things unfold in the real world? Let's begin with the way courtroom proceedings are depicted on screen. In many TV shows, especially legal dramas, the courtroom is a place of constant drama, with surprise witnesses and last-minute evidence revealed in sensational style. In reality, last-minute surprises are rare. Court cases are meticulously prepared, and both parties are generally aware of all evidence before the trial begins. The discovery process, which is often glossed over in media, involves a thorough exchange of evidence well ahead of the actual trial date. Next, consider the portrayal of lawyers, usually sharp, witty, and unfailingly victorious, after delivering an impassioned closing argument. However, the life of a lawyer is less about delivering monologues and more about rigorous research, writing briefs, and navigating complex legal processes. While charisma is a valuable asset, successful outcomes rely heavily on preparation and a deep understanding of the law rather than pure theatrics. Turning to the evidence itself, the so-called smoking gun that miraculously resolves cases in TV dramas almost instantly isn't a typical occurrence. Real-life cases rely on the accumulation of various pieces of evidence, building a cohesive narrative that supports one side's argument over the others. Moreover, science and forensic evidence, though impactful, can be limited by numerous factors such as contamination, human error, and interpretative ambiguity, unlike their almost magical certainty on screen. Cross-examination on television often resembles a chess match, with lawyers constantly outwitting each other. Yet in practice, cross-examinations are methodical and planned. Lawyers focus on consistency and clarity, carefully framing questions to extract specific information. Emotional outbursts, another staple of TV courtrooms, are not just rare but are often actively discouraged to maintain decorum and focus on facts rather than theatrics. Lastly, the timeline of TV court cases is typically brief, often wrapped up within an episode or two. Real court proceedings, however, can stretch over months or even years, with plenty of inertia as cases wend their way through the legal system. While television courtrooms provide gripping entertainment, they distort the slow, systematic, and often less dramatic nature of actual legal proceedings. Understanding these distinctions can help viewers appreciate the complexities of the judicial process beyond the fiction. So the next time you tune into a courtroom drama, remember that reality, while perhaps less flashy, is rife with its own brand of intrigue and complexity.